हेलो फ्रेंड, ये है दिस इज वेंटेज एंटीक कैसेट प्लेयर। वेंटेज कार कैसेट प्लेयर यू वेरी इजी। दिस इज पावर बटन, press the button is power on. This is volume button, volume plus button, increase the volume, and minus is volume decrease, and this is select button. Select is for first time select bass. You can change bass plus or minus, and second time press this is treble. You can change treble in sound plus or minus as you wish. Third press is balance for left or right speakers, and zero is your speaker is all speaker is ready. And fourth time press this is fader. Fader means front speakers or rear speakers selection. Zero is four speaker, all four speaker is play, and this is two button. If you are both button are press and your cassette is second side is play, cassette side is automatic change, and again press your cassette side is change. And if you are forward the song, press this button, your song is forward, and press reverse button for stop, your song is play. If you are reverse the song, press the button, reverse button, and for stop and play, your song is play. This button is loud for extra sound, and scan for radio button. If you are start a radio, press the band button. You can enter the FM mode and change band button to all FM1, FM2, FM3, any band, and select station for press up button and down frequency. If you are frequency set, for example 89.2, you can press, for example, in one station, one number, press the one number, and you can take your station is saving number 1. Okay, and then you can change the frequency of FM. For example, your new frequency is 90, and you can press 5. Your station is fit on 5 number, and this is stereo sound. This is automatic search FM station. This is local station. This is scan, and this is clock function, very useful for clock. This is clock function, and you can change time clock. Press and hold the button, your time is blinking, and up and down you can change time. This is clock button every time, and this is mute button for sound on off, mute, and then you can select tape button and cassette set. You can open the cassette, press this panel button. This is also automatic open, and press the eject button. Your cassette is out, and insert the cassette. Mouth close. Your sound is ready. If you are detach the panel out, detach out, press the button, and Thank you. If you are unattach the panel, press this button and this is panel out. This is panel out. If you are detach again panel, add this side. First add this side and press this side. Panel is insert. If any problem in playing, you can use this button for reset. Use a needle. This is reset button. If any problem in future, you can reset the player. This pin, use for this pin. Thanks for watching.